What if I told you the biggest deal in AI history just got canceled? This is Kenya News Update today. Coming up, you'll discover why a $100 billion partnership between tech titans is officially dead and what it means for the future of artificial intelligence. Meet Jensen Huang, the CEO of Nvidia, the man whose chips power the AI revolution. On Wednesday, he dropped a bombshell that sent shockwaves through Silicon Valley. The reason? A massive $100 billion infrastructure deal with OpenAI, the creator of ChatGPT, is probably not happening. But here's the twist. This isn't just about a failed deal. It's a seismic shift in how the world's most valuable companies are battling for AI supremacy. And it all centers on one man's stunning admission. Jensen Huang said the opportunity to invest $100 billion in OpenAI is probably not in the cards. The reason for that is because they're going to go public. That's a direct quote from the Morgan Stanley Technology, Media and Telecom Conference. Think about that. A $100 billion deal. Gone, just like that. But here's what nobody's talking about. This isn't the only investment Nvidia is pulling back from. Huang also mentioned that Nvidia's $10 billion investment in OpenAI rival Anthropic would likely be its last. So in one speech, the CEO of the world's most important chipmaker signaled the end of an era. No more giant, private bets on the hottest AI startups. The game has changed. And then something shocking happened. We got the official confirmation. Nvidia included similar language in its quarterly filing in February, which noted that there was no assurance that the company will enter into an investment and partnership agreement with OpenAI or that a transaction will be completed. This comes after months of speculation. The Wall Street Journal reported in January that the agreement was on ice. Now it's frozen solid. But here's the part that will blow your mind. Even as one door closes, another one swings wide open. Nvidia's $30 billion investment in OpenAI was just unveiled as part of a $110 billion funding round that the startup announced on Friday. That's right, a $30 billion check. And Huang says this might be the last time Nvidia invests in OpenAI before it could go public toward the end of the year. So they're writing a check for $30 billion and calling it quits. Why? Because the startup is heading for the stock market. The round also included a $50 billion commitment from Amazon and a $30 billion commitment from SoftBank. Let that sink in. $110 billion in one funding round for one company. This is the financial supernova powering the AI age. The implications are massive. For Kenya, for Africa, for the world. Some say this is smart business. Nvidia securing its position before a competitor goes public. Others see a warning sign, a cooling of the frenzied private investment that has defined AI for the last 2 years. The controversy is clear. Is this the peak of the AI investment bubble, or just a strategic pivot by the industry's kingmaker? The tension is real. If the company building the brains for AI is slowing its direct investments, what does that signal for everyone else? But if Nvidia is stepping back, who steps up? The payoff is a world reshaped by artificial intelligence, funded not by secretive mega deals, but by the public markets. Do you think this is the end of the AI gold rush, or just the beginning of a new phase? Drop your take in the comments. Subscribe to Kenya News Update today for more breaking news from the frontier of technology.